First five for both teams. First five natin from Royal Point. We have Team De Los Reyes, Ivor Arcalas, Jurimar Loredo, Russell Concepcion, and El Cid Pascual. While for your Pusong Pinoy, we have Kenneth Salazar, RJ Malorca, Elijah Calara, RJ Samson, and John Ray Marquez. Talaga namang solidong-solido ang bawat team na ito. This is unrated division. Pero talagang pinaghandaan ng both teams yan. Hindi natin talaga namang pwedeng makaligtaan every second and every minute ng action sa ating digmaan na ito.
Iba yan, ganyan. Ganyan sa motor. Wait lang po.
Okay, first possession will be at the Royal Point.
Usupin nyo yun to. Araw yun. Yung parang rally. Ayan. Ayan. Ito, tanggalin mo to. Ito. Ito, tinglo. Ano yung lagay ko? Iwala ko. Ayan.
Foul number 13. Personal foul for Steve Royal Point.
Nangyari? Ayaw pa rin ano, kailangan Pusong Pinoy dapat yan. Hindi dyan pre, nasa ano yan, line up yan yung Clover Third basketball pre. Sa, hindi sa spot. Customize siya. Headroom ng ano, headroom ng 1. Sakay nga. Nag-feedback ano? Nag-feedback. Sa kanila yun. Sa kanila yun. Wala naman tayo speaker dito. Sa kanila. Speaker nila. Paayos natin? Paano mo sa iba? Paano mo sa iba kasi nagko-commentator kayo? Walang maririnig sa ere.
There's a foul. May foul tayo doon. And Calara gets the deuce. Pusong Pinoy. We are tied at 4. Royal Point with the chance to take the lead para dito sa magandang tira ni Calara. Sorry guys, sa mga nanonood dyan, may nag-feedback lang kaunti. Like, follow, and share nyo na rin yung page natin guys. Thank you so much. Maagang substitution kaagad yan. Hello sa 42 viewers natin. Good morning, good afternoon, kung nasaan man kayo. We have 8 minutes remaining on the first quarter and Calara will try to complete a 3-point lead. He made it. 5-4 by Royal Point. Jurimar Loredo handling the letter, signaling the play for Royal Point. Kicks it out to Elvin. To El Cid. El Cid setting up. Give it up to Loredo. But he was fouled. First personal foul. First team foul para sa Chef E. Pusong Pinoy. Jurimar Loredo with fresh 14 on the clock. Kicks it out to El Cid. El Cid for 3. Without a warm-up. Wala lang yun. Kailangan pa magpainit. Kenneth Salazar handling the letter. Kenneth back to Elijah. Calara sets it up for Kenneth. Kenneth, but he was fouled. Foul lang maitatawag ni Ref Danny. So share nyo lang yung live natin guys. Mamaya pipili kami sa mga sharers natin kung anong pa mga bibigay namin mga surprises. Bola babalik dito sa Royal Point. Pusong Pinoy rather. Elijah to Salazar. Salazar setting up. Nanghihingi ng screen. Salazar fakes. One-handed jigger up. But there's a foul. Foul by number 7. Iver Arcolas. Elijah Calara with fresh 14 on the clock. Elijah pumasok for 2. Wala. There's a foul. So may naitawag si Ref Danny. Mas ma-inform ako. Baliktad yung score. Sa atin yun Sa atin yung book.
Doon sila nagko-consider dun eh. Tinapin na natin yung...
Loredo on the 3. Looking. Concepcion! Ganda ng ikot! Russell Concepcion! Grabe naman yun. What a pass. By the way, credit sa magandang pasa at find ni Jurimar Loredo. Balik tayo dito. Calara fakes. Calara sidestep left. Layup is good. Elijah Calara for 2. Jurimar Loredo. Ito na naman. Ang ganda naman ng kick out. Iver Arcolas. Wala. But El Cid was caught pushing. Kaya natawagan siya ng foul ni Ref Danny.
Kaya ba kayo mag-adjust dyan? Kasi sa team daw yun eh. Kaya ba hindi ka mag-adjust? Oo, kasi sa team daw yun. Pagpalitin mo na lang mga ano sila dun sa team eh. Pagpalitin mo na lang. Royal Point. Tama na yan.
Last free throw. Yun. Dali ang pangalawang free throw. Official score natin is 11-6. Puso Pinoy with the lead. 3 minutes and 42 seconds remaining. Iver. Uy! Nioyo pa but he was fouled. Foul by number 17. Elijah Calara. Grabe talaga yung mga players natin ngayon. Iver Arcolas will try to cut down the lead to 3 with his 2 free throws. First free throw is good.
Sa likod mo. Nasa likod mo pa.
2 for 2 from the line para kay Iver Arcolas. Mallorca. RJ steps back for 3. No. But there's a push behind. Kita-kita ni Ref Danny. Who's foul? Same ball session lang pala. Walang naitawag na foul. Marquez kicks it out to Elijah. Elijah with the ball. Elijah crossover. Pinoy step lays it up for 2. Ganda naman ang highlights from Elijah Calara. Grabe, El Cid Pascual will try para bumawi. Wala. Rebound kanila pa rin for 2. Wala talaga nagpapadaig sa ating digmaan today. First game pa lang yan. So kapit lang tayo. Shoutout sa ating 61 viewers. Salazar will try the 3. No, in and out. Wala babalik. So Royal Point. Jorimar. Bad decision that time. Elijah with interception. Elijah, switch gears. Ganda na pasa. Kyle, wala. Ganda ng depensa naman doon ng Royal Point. Salazar will try to make a steal here. Ganda lang yon! Knockout play by Marquez. And we have a timeout.
The Hoop Store would like to thank Zamek Events, Basketball Gears, 361 Degrees, Rigora, JMS Tailoring, Boss J, Flashback Clothing, King Eagles Tourism, Big Boss Go.
All right, let's get back to the ball game. Bola ng Royal Point.
Counting niyo mamaya, yung counting niyo. Explain mo muna sa kanya kung paano muna kayo mapa. Ako muna ulit.
Three! Elcid Pascual. Grabe naman yun. Elcid Pascual with yet not surprising performance dahil talaga naman each and every time kakanatong bata na ito. But we have a foul. Foul by number 12. First personal foul pero we are in the penalty na. Elijah Calara, 2 free throws from the line.
50 seconds. Attention to all the players and coaches. 24 seconds. Attention.
Shoutout muna tayo sa mga nanonood sa atin. Ayan, yung si mama ko, Evelyn Agala. Yan, and so our idol from the MPBL, Idol JC Marcelino. Grabe yan, guys. And shoutout na rin natin kayang kambal, si JV Marcelino. What up, guys? Sana ma-invite namin kayo dito sa Dubai for some tournaments. And kahit mga friendly games lang na papawis. People here in Dubai are waiting for you. Ayun, from our kaibigan na matalik, Kent Yabut, shoutout pare ko, always support. Salamat pare, salamat. Pa-share na lang rin ng live pre. And if you have time, visit ka naman dito sa Star International Academy sa Alta War 4. And shoutout to all the 70 viewers we have. From the line as Elijah Calara. Grabe. Elijah Arara, puro sa kanya na tong puntos dito from Royal Point. From Puso Pinoy, sorry. 17-13 is the official score. Apat ang kalamangan. Will he try to make it a 5-point lead? Yes, he does. 22 seconds on the game clock sa ating first quarter of action. Jorimar. Mauhuli ba? There's a steal. 14 seconds. Ganda na pasa. And the re-steal by Ivor. Good read. Elcid Pascual on the tree. Wala. Rebound kanino? Number 44. But we will go to the same court. Bola yan ng Royal Point. Can they count down the lead? Kailangan to. 5 seconds left. Binigay. Ivor fakes. Ganda ng peke. Yes, it does! To end the first quarter, Ivor Arclas for 2.
The Hoop Store would like to thank Zamek Events, Basketball Gears, 361 Degrees, Rigora, JMS Tailoring, Boss J, Flashback Clothing, King Eagles Tourism, Big Boss Garage, Wetski Accessories, Soul Savvy, House of Iriteavi, SMK, and the Hoop Store. The Hoop Store would like to thank Zamek Events, Basketball Gears, 361 Degrees, Riggerer, JMS Tailoring, Boss J, Flashback Clothing, King Eagles Tourism, Big Boss Garage.
Yes, welcome back to the second quarter of the game. Ayun. Sabi ni Kenty Abot, galing mo naman mag-commentator, kunin ka na daw ni Jaspil. Hindi nga tayo pinapansin ni Jaspil, tol. Isa lang tayong maliit. But thank you, always my idol, for the support. Going back to the game. Royal Point down by 3. 4-2! Yun! Antiporte.
Pre, ito dapat yung nasa harap ng bibig mo. Ito. Merong marker yan.
Ayan, Elcid Pascual. Elcid. Ganda ng find. Rolyon. Sino ba yan? Tumatakbo na naman. And... Pero may foul. Foul by Team De Los Reyes. Antiporta will try to make his third and fourth point of the game on the free throw line. First free throw, Antiporta made it. Second free throw, yes, 2 for 2 from the line. Team De Los Reyes trying to set up. Medyo may full court press na dito. Ito na, namuntikan pa.
Natawagan ng foul.
But
But there's a hand caught by Ref Danny. First personal foul, first team foul yan para sa Chef E. Puso Pinoy, Team De Los Reyes. Pinigay. Nards Elardo to Elcid. Elcid looking. Finds Izola. His specialty of the house. Wala naman yon. Ball will go back to Chef E. Puso Pinoy. Number 4 setting up the play. Pinigay kay number 68, Antiporta. Binalik. Ganda ng bigayan sa loob. 4-2, De La Cruz. Ang sarap naman talagang panoorin kapag ganyan. Unselfish play ang pinapakita ng mga teams. Ito na naman, tumatakbo na naman. Pinasa ulit, binalik, pinasa na naman, pinalik. Too much passing, kakasabi ko nga lang. Too much passing, but good intentions. Good intention para sa magka-teammate na iyon. Ang ganda ng depensa na pinapakita dito sa second quarter ng Pusong Pinoy. And seems like Royal Point is not ready para sa depensa na ito. Mababa na. Susubukan nilang tapyasin ang lead from 9. Titignan natin yan sa ating possession. But there's a foul caught. Foul by number 6. First personal foul niya yan. Second team foul para sa Pusong Pinoy. Izola. Inbound play kay Nards. May foul na naman doon.
Ang gawin mo,
Balik tayo sa shoutout habang nag-aantay from play-by-play. Shoutout tayo kay Mr. Alfred Codilla na idol ko. Pa-shoutout boss at kay Orencia, big boy. Wala pang tulog. Ito na naman, tumatakbo na naman. Royal Points with yet another 2. And we are forced to have a timeout. There will be a timeout coming from the Royal Point.
The Hoop Store would like to thank Zamek Events, Basketball Gears, 361 Degrees, Riggerer, JMS Tailoring, Boss J, Flashback Clothing, King Eagles Tourism, Big Boss Garage, Wetski Accessories, Soul Savvy, House of Iritea V, SMK, and the Hoop Store.
Welcome back to the game. Team, ang ganda talaga ng full court na depensa. Lifting violation, nahihirapan ibaba ng Royal Point ang bola. Mukhang talagang handang-handa ang Chef E sa ating laro na ito.
9 seconds to shoot.
They've come prepared. Ito na naman. For 2, wala. Rebound kanino? Mapupunta yan sa Royal Point. Jurimar, nakita si Zola. Hizola, specialty of the house. Mr. Perimeter, wala. Rebound by number 69. Tumatakbo ngayon. Abu Dhabi. Royal Point. De La Cruz sa ilalim. Nards Elardo to Jurimar. Looking. But there's a foul. Warning for penalty na ang Royal Point Chef Pinoy. Busog Pinoy. 26-15. Jurimar Loredo. Very high IQ player from the Ilonggo Solido.
Need support.
First free throw is short. At the second free throw, wala pa rin yun. Ito na, tumatakbo na naman ang Puso Pinoy. Calmly set it up. Number 4, setting up the play. Guillermo looking for a screener. 3 on its way. Bang! Guillermo, 3! And the three-point shot is brought to you by Basketball Gears. Game on, Gears. But there's a foul. Medyo malagkit ang depensa na yun. It's a penalty.
Sabi ni Ken, kunin ka na daw Justin.
Penalty na tayo. 2 free throws will be given away to Jurimar Loredo. They need this point. First free throw is good. Second free throw ni Jurimar. 1 out of 2. Bola will roll outside. Mallorca looking. Mallorca has his speed. Kicks it out. Hindi makakatakas. Sa mata ng mga referee natin yan. It's a traveling violation, 29-16. 13-point lead naman ang kailangan bunuin dito ng Royal Point. But there is still enough time for them to come back, to make a comeback. So kapit lang, Abu Dhabi team talaga namang pinapahirapan ang Royal Point dito. But there's a foul. Medyo malagkit na nga talaga Mallorca. Kapapasok lang, committed this foul. He's gonna give away 2 free throws to Jurimar. Second free throw is no good. Nards Elardo, Jurimar. Inikot, Jurimar lays it up. But there's a traveling violation. Ganda ng depensa dun. Ganda ng challenge. Mallorca. Gives it up. Guillermo for 3. Tumitingin pa kay Rep. But he stepped on the sideline. Tumapak siya doon sa sideline na yun. Jurimar Loredo. Magaling to. Dagat itong mag-dribble na to. The court general para sa Ilonggo. Ang ganda ng kita doon. Isola! What a pass! Grabe naman yun. That's the eye of the court general. Ika nga. Grabe. Kahit ako hindi ko nakita yun. That's the find. RJ Mallorca to Guillermo. Binigay. Balik kay Mallorca for 3. Gustong bumawi. No. That's too long. Pero the ball will stay to Chef E.
8 seconds.
8 seconds shot clock tayo dyan. Libre-libre sa number 69. Wala. Rebound by Nards. Nards looking. Nards to Elcid. Elcid Pascual. Bothered by the defense. But he was fouled.
Tapos ang gamitin niyo doon stick lick.
Meron foul tayo doon. Foul by number 27.
Ang final score mo. Yung final score.
First personal foul yan by number 27. Penalty. Elcid Pascual will try to make a comeback here. Pero bumibintis talaga mga free throws ng Royal Point.
Alex, nandito ka rin pala.
Wala pa rin. I think this might be the effect of walang warm-up. Kasi na-late ang Royal Point team dito sa ating venue. So wala silang proper warm-ups. Nonetheless, still have plenty of time of this game. 1 minute and 50 seconds remaining para sa ating second quarter. Kicks it out. Guillermo, ganda ng find sa ilalim. Pinutok na lang. Grabe naman yung pasahan ng Abu Dhabi talaga. This is chemistry. Loredo, ganda ng pasa kay Elvin. Elvin, 2 points. Siyempre, si Elvin ay isang natin, masugid na supporter ng Hoop Store Basketball. Flashback clothing, kita niyo naman yung sapatos. Naka-AR2 Valentine's. Legal pick. So there's a turnover for Chef E. Puso Pinoy. 1 minute and 5 seconds remaining. Isang minuto na lang natitira sa ating second quarter. Will there be enough time para makika-comeback sa kanilang first half? Bola pupunta. Nards kicks it out to Mark. Papa, kapapasok lang. 10 seconds to shoot. Elcid with a fake. Elcid gustong sumubo. Lace it up for two. May kasama pang foul. Grabe. Elcid Pascual nagpapainit lang pala. And now the lead has been cut to 9 points. 31-22. At may chance pa yung maibaba. Gamit sa free throw na ito. Elcid Pascual. Susubukang ibaba pa. Kumalon, pero pumasok ulit. 31-23. Balik sa 8. Last 24 seconds. Wala na tayong difference between game clock and the shot clock. This might be the last shot of the quarter. Elijah kicks it out, pero na-steal yan ni Elvin. Elvin tuloy-tuloy. Elvin, ganda ng pasa to Elcid Pascual. What a move! Ganda naman noon. 5 seconds left. Mallorca moving. Fakes. This might count if you go in. Wala. And that's the end of the second quarter. 31-25. And half time para maka-comeback ang Royal Point.
Okay, ready.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Hey, start replay na. Kane na.
Grabe. Ay, yung score big. Ready yung score big. Ready score big. Ready score big. Okay na. Ready na? I-ano mo na. I-ano mo na.
Ano?
Ay, babalik siya dito. Sige. Tapos 1. Dali lang ha. Tama yung score, di ba? 31-25. Tan, pwede mong komentan yan.
Okay. Ready lang.
Ba yung pangki dun?
Tapos ready sponsor tayo. Ready sponsor.
So 31-25.
Hindi, sasabihin ko ulit yung score.
Puso.
Tan, score. Score.
Baliktad.
Yeah, balik ko.
Ayos.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Royal
Puso Pinoy. Halftime score natin 25-31. Story of the first half is defense.
Papasok natin sa sponsor tayo. 3 to 1. Pasok tayo.
The Hope Store would like to thank Zamek Events, Basketball Gears, 361 Degrees, Rigora, JMS Tailoring, Boss J, Flashback Clothing, King Eagles Tourism, Big Boss Garage, Wetski Accessories, Soul Savvy, House of Iritea.
Yon, balik tayo sa ating third quarter. Jurimar Loredo. Ganda ng end ng second quarter doon ng Royal Point. Elvin for 3. Short that time. Marquez with a rebound. Salazar. Mallorca nandirito rin. At ang kanilang star player for today, si Elijah Calara. Elijah looking for his teammate. Elijah kicks it out. Kyle Salazar. One-handed. Wala. Tumatakbo ngayon ang Royal Point. They're pushing the pace. Elcid. Sa ilalim. Wala. Mark with a rebound. But he was fouled. Foul by number 17, Elijah Calara. Second personal foul. First team foul para sa Chef E. Puso Pinoy. Jorimar setting up. Jorimar. Bigay kay Elcid. Elcid thought about the 3 that time. He was cornered. Mark. Mark kicks it out. Jurimar Loredo for 3. Wala. Rebound. Samson. Loose ball, kicks it out. Elcid Pascual for 3. Bang! Elcid Pascual! And the three-point shot is brought to you by Big Boss Garage. Baba na sa tatlo ang kalamangan ng Pusong Pinoy. Elijah will try to make the hit. To start the hit para dito sa Pusong Pinoy. Kaso lang medyo lumamig na. Pero babalik sa kanila ang bola. Medyo nanlamig ang offense. Nanlamig ang offense nitong Pusong Pinoy. Shoutout sa ating 72 viewers dyan. Ricky Volante, para ako nanonood ng NBA, kaso lang Tagalog. Ayan, Giancarlo Saberola. Salamat at nanonood kayo sa live natin. Share nyo na rin mga idol. Share nyo na rin mga bossing. Para syempre, tapos like and follow nyo na rin yung page namin. And for sure, you're gonna have to see quality videos, quality products. Yan ang mga matutunghayan nyo sa Flashback Loading, the Hook Store. Balik tayo sa laro. Asuncion, binigay kay Mark, specialty of the house for 2. Sabi ko na nga, hindi pa gumamit ng board yon. Down to 1, 31-30. Royal Point is climbing up the ladder. Mallorca looking, kicks it out. Uy! Medyo nagkakaroon ng miscommunication dito ang Team Pusong Pinoy. Ang ganda talaga. Ito yung effect ng magandang closing ng ending ng quarter from the Royal Point. Now they have the momentum back to their face. Jurimar kicks it out. Ivor, ganda ng pasa kay Russell. Ganda ng pasa kay Mark. Mark, tinutok, wala. Tatakbo na naman ngayon ang Pusong Pinoy. Can they answer back? They need some answers here. Elijah. They need you, the man. Mallorca, 15-foot jumper, wala. Elcid with the board. Nagpapainit lang pala itong Royal Point. Elcid. Binigay kay Jurimar. Loredo. Looking. Ganda na pasa! Wala nga lang yun! The ball slipped to his hands. Wala tayong magagawa doon talagang. Uy! Medyo may extend. Traveling violation by Marquez. At ang bola ay babalik sa Royal Point. Hindi makatikim ng lead ang Royal Point. Can they make it on this next possession? 6 minutes and 8 seconds on the third quarter. Malalaman natin yan. Sa ilang saglit lang, makakukuha naman ang Royal Point as Loredo finds some J on the 3. Wala. Salazar with the board. Salazar umikot. Salazar. Bad decision that time. Jurimar, 2-on-2. Jurimar, ganda ng pasa, but there's a steal. Kuwang-kuya ni Roque. Reaching foul, maitatawag, number 25, Jurimar Loredo. Mainit yung laban natin. Walang gusto magpatalo in both teams. So, Pusong Pinoy, they need some answers here. They have not scored until the opening and the last 2 minutes of the second quarter. Elijah will try to break, but he was fouled by Ivor Arcolas. Third personal foul, second team foul. Pero susubukan nito ni Elijah Calara na butasin na ang basket para sa kanilang kupunan. First free throw is good. Yes, we bet. We all know the capacity of isang Elijah Calara. Second free throw, 2 for 2 from the line. That gives them a 3-point lead and a breather para sa run na binibigay nitong Royal Point. Jurimar, top of the key. Swinging the ball. Jurimar thought about it. Binigyan ng screen ni Mark. Jurimar, ganda ng pasa. Ivor Alcoraz, wala nga lang yun. Masyadong malalim. 13 on his way. Guillermo, wala. Rebound, Calara. May konting tulak nga lang doon So the referee called an offensive foul. 33-30 pa rin, tatlo ang kalamangan ng Chef E. Puso Pinoy. Can they capitalize sa lead na ito? Or patuloy ng makabangon? Down by 15, by 12. Ito na ang Royal Point. Ganda ng layup, wala nga lang. Tatakbo na naman, Roque. Tumalorca na, huli ni Mark. But he was fouled. Hammered down. Jurimar Loredo. Tinamaan sa mukha si Jurimar. And I think it's okay. Shoutouts at 85 viewers natin dyan. First game pa lang to, guys. First game. Shoutout tayo, Giancarlo Saberola. Let's go, Batmans ng Abu Dhabi. RJ Plaza, napakalupit ng announcer. Malupit pa kay Tito Mikey. Sa mama ko, shoutout Jaray Katakutan, happy viewing Lakay, Carl, Kevin, Mike Tamayo. And happy viewing sa inyo guys, 83 viewers natin. Stay tuned lang kayo. Marami pang mga teams na magagaling na magpapakitang gilas sa atin dito sa Hoop Store One Day League. So don't forget to like our page and follow nyo na rin. Share nyo na rin yung live stream to win exciting prizes mamaya.
Kahit di ko pinarano, kaya naman.
Hindi, hindi nga hindi. Marinig ko.
Okay. Let's proceed on the game. Jurimar setting up. Naghahanap. Jurimar crosses over. Jurimar! Ganda na naman nun! Jurimar Loredo! Ganda ng beer! Ganda ng layup! Talaga namang veterans move. Kung IQ lang ang pag-uusapan bilang point guard, Jurimar Loredo is one of the top pick here in Dubai. Number 6 na, Andri Porta. Looking, kicks it out. Elsie Pascual. Pero too late. Marlorca for three. No! Rebound kanino? He was fouled. Number 27 was fouled. Mukhang titira na free throws itong si number 27. Isa na lang naman ang kalamangan ng Puso Pinoy. First free throw. Medyo tagilid yon that time. They'll try to cope up on the second one. Second free throw. Yes. 1 for 2 from the line. Elcid handling the letter, calling his name. Elcid, kaya ba? 1-on-1. He was fouled. First personal foul. 14th foul. 1 minute and 30 seconds na lalabi sa ating third quarter. But he was fouled. Penalty na. Medyo di matanggap ni Marquez ang tawag na yun ng referee natin. Jurimar Loredo will try to even this game sa kanyang free throw. First free throw, yes, it's good. Second free throw para kay Jurimar. Two for two from the line, and we are tied at 34 apiece for the first time of the game. Royal Point has climbed the ladder para mapantayan ang score na binibigay nito Puso Pinoy despite the second quarter drought. Andrito na sila. 10 seconds to shoot para kay Mallorca. Mallorca has to decide. Fakes. Ganda naman ng peke doon. Wala nga lang Jurimar with the board. Jurimar takes it out for the lead and the first lead of the game. Nakuha na ng Royal Point! Babawiin naman kagad. Wala yon. Royal Point has really done it. At lamang na sila ngayon sa third quarter na to. 36-34. Sa kanila pa ang bola. 6 seconds on the third quarter. El Cid Pascual, what can he do? Time is a problem. Nice defense by Mallorca. And that's the end of the third quarter. Pero Royal Point has proven their point para makabalik sa laban na ito. 36-34, 2-point lead. And let's get back to the fourth quarter. Ang huling aksyon sa tigmaan ay unang laro natin on this day. Grabe, walang gusto magpatalo. Puso Pinoy. They've been on the roll in the second quarter, but anong nangyari? They are down by 2 entering the fourth. Pero Royal Point proven their point na talaga naman isa sila sa iniintay na team to beat dito sa Hoop Store One Day League. Digmaan sa gitnang silangan. This will be the deciding quarter for both teams. They have to start right. They have to start strong and finish strong. Nandirito na ngayon. Number 4, kapapasok lang. Bigay kay Elijah. Calara, needed by his team. Number 4 for 3. No, short. Number 44 with the board. 44, umikot. But he was fouled. Pero pang shoot doon. Kaya naman all 36 tayo. He will try to regain the lead sa free throw na ito. Number 44, Roque, is dominating the board para dito sa Puso Pinoy. Roque, can he make it? Wala. Start at 36 pa rin. Good start nonetheless para sa Sheffield Pusong Pinoy. They have to regain yung momentum sa depensa na ginawa nila on the second quarter. Jorimar, ganda ng pasa. But a miscommunication there. Hindi handa si Ivor sa kanyang pasa doon. Marquez kicks it out. Elijah. One dribble pull up. Short. Rebound. Arcolas. Binigay. Jorimar. Foot race. Wala. Ito na. Mark Papa. Binigay. Jorimar. Pabanda for 2. Jorimar Loredo making an impact on this ball game. Making the spark para makabalik ang Royal Point. Pero hindi hahayaan ng Pusong Pinoy yan. Pusong Pinoy will try to regain the lead on this possession. De La Cruz. Guillermo. Kicks it out. Ganda nakita kay Roque. Wala lang yun. Tumatakbo na naman El Cid. Nice it up for 2. The biggest lead of the game. Royal Point on 4. And there's a timeout for Pusong Pinoy. Chef E. Shoutout muna tayo. Shoutout Eric Remio Bingayan. Ipasok nyo ang sniper ng Chicks, John Christian Narciso. Grabe naman. John Carlos Severola. Otto Pito si Rep. Ate Arsal, good luck. Ang galing naman ng commentator. Pa-shoutout naman Janel Doayan fam watching from Caloocan City. Sa mga nanonood sa atin dyan from the Philippines. Shoutout sa inyo. And yung mga nanonood sa atin from Dubai and all other Emirates. Shoutout sa inyo lahat. Tune in lang sa live natin. And we're gonna make more action of this game. Una pa lang to. Share nyo, like nyo, follow nyo. And you have a chance to win prizes sa raffle natin. Maraming salamat. We're going back to the game. Calara with the ball. Calara, sidestep. But there's a reaching foul.
Ball number 25. Loreto, third personal foul, second team foul, Royal Point.
Walang bali yung rating. Susunod.
Sunod kayo, di ba? Hindi, one trading. Sabihin mo na sa kanya, one trading 30 gen. Sabihin mo na sa kanya, one trading 30 gen. Kunin na nga mo yung first 5.
Pero dapat pala may-replay pala ako.
36-40 pa rin ang talaan. Jorimar Loredo to Ivor Arcolas. They had the momentum until this moment. Kanta na naman nun. Wala nga lang. Bola makukuha. Yung Puso Pinoy. Number 4. Ganda ng kita. Wala nga lang. Na ipasahan dun sa ilalim. Time remaining 6 minutes and 56 seconds here in the fourth and final quarter. The game deciding match kung sino nga angat will try to advance on the semis or try to play in the quarterfinals. Mark Papa, binigay kay Elcid. 3 seconds violation na naitawag ni Ref Danny dyan.
Galing. Isip ka.
14-36, Royal Point.
Royal Point up by 4. Calara, he needs to make an answer. Ganda ng pasa sa ilalim. 4-2. Medyo mahirap ang pagpasok ng bola dito para sa Team Chef E. Pero doon sa kabila, Royal Point, sobrang simple. 6 na ang kalamangan. Puso Pinoy needs to come back. Will there be enough time for them to make a comeback here? They have 5 minutes and 45 to work with. Number 69, pinasok na. Ganda ng depensa ng Royal Point. Tumatakbo na naman. Ito na, Elcid Pascual will try to bomb a 3. Wala nga lang yon. Bola marirebound yan. Ni number 4. Galing! Lazy Rap! Pinadaan pa sa leki-leki. Pero wala lang yon. Kanya pa rin. Perimeter shot, wala. But there's a foul.
Number 25 for this one, certainly.
So stay tuned in, guys. Meron tayong magandang laban. On the next game, we have one trading Abu Dhabi na naman versus 30 Gen na Ilonggo na naman. We are witnessing
Yung sponsor na tayo na mahaba.
a legendary game. Ika nga dito sa ating Hope Store One Day League. Walang talo dito. Lahat tayo panalo from live action, from live to live sa Facebook. Talaga namang sulit na sulit ang panonood. Saan ka nakakita ng live na ganito? Only here in the Hoop Store in collaboration with Zamek Events.
So pag pinindot na wala nang
So let's try to come back to the game. RJ Mallorca. Ito na. They need some answers here. Kailangan nila to. Yes! They get it! Grabe naman, tawag agad ng timeout Coach Hansel, and we'll be right back after this break. Ako na naman.
Both teams do timeouts left.
Wala na. Yes. Anak. Point.
Basta macro. Kaya ako macro. Sige tayo. Synchronous nila.
And let's go back. Eto na. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. And Puso Pinoy down by 4. Ano ang kailangan nilang gawin? They need some stops and some answers. Mark Papa on his hands, kicks it out. Ivor the sniper, wala, rebound. Mapupunta yan. Number 69. There's a steal. There's a foul. Ganda ng stop. They needed that. Third personal foul yon. Time remaining 3 minutes and 40, 42, 38. Jurimar, the court general. He makes things happen for this Royal Point along with this guy, El Cid Pascual, who ignites the fire para makabalik ang Royal Point. And still now, but there's a steal. Tumatakbo na naman, number 69. Can he make it? May push ng konti. Wala nga lang yon. Number 13, pinasa. Mallorca to number 13 again. Guillermo, balik kay Mallorca. Mallorca pa rin may tangan. Ito na, tumatakbo na naman. Nice fake. Puta tayo inabot. Bola babalik sa Royal Point. 3 minutes remaining. Jurimar. Ganda ng pasa. There's a skill by Mallorca. And there's a foul by Jurimar Laredo. Substitution muna tayo. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Natitira sa ating fourth quarter. 3 on its way. A heat check. Wala. Rebound by Ivor. Ivor Arcalas. Pinigay kay LC. 2 minutes and 17 seconds. 2 minutes and 16 rather. Ito na si Elcid. Elcid looking for his teammate. 10 seconds on his clock. Elcid, he needs to work it out. Elcid, binigay. 5 seconds. They need to put something here. Ivor, puta tayo nabot. Mallorca completing the steal. Mallorca looking. They need a point here. 3 on his way. Bang! Guillermo making things happen para sa Pusong Pinoy. And Royal Point has forced themselves and made a timeout here. Isa kalamangan, magbabalik tayo sa ilang paalala lang.
Babasa mo, Patrick Uy.
The Hoop Store would like to thank Zamek Events, Basketball Years, 361 Degrees, Rigor, JMS Tailoring, Boss J, Flashback Clothing, King Eagles Tourism, Big Boss Garage, Wetski Accessories, Soul Savvy, House of Iriteavi, SMK, and the Hoop Store.
And let's get back to the ball game. Grabe. Ang init talaga. Ito ang sinasabi nating digmaan sa gitnang silangan, and you are witnessing history in the making dito sa laban na ito. Walang gusto magpatalo. Other one wants to come back. Pero si Mark Papa nandito. Ganda ng pasa. Hindi lang nakuha. Pero nakuha na naman number 2. Yes, sir. Put his team up by 3. Mallorca setting up. They need Mallorca to work here. Mallorca. Nawawala pa ang bola. Mallorca natapalan but he was fouled. Up in the air. May pushing foul tayo doon na itawag si ref. Against El Cid Pascual. Dalawa free throw para kay Mallorca. Sobrang importante ng free throw na ito. 1 minute and 29. Who will be clutch? Sino ang magsasabi ng my God answered my prayer? Sino kaya? Mallorca will try to slice down the lead to 1 with his free throw. First free throw. Yes, it's good. At wala namang sorpresa doon.
Wala atang select ng final score yung malaki?
Isa sa pinakamabibigat na free throw sa bibitawan niya dito sa league na ito. Mallorca again. In and out. Bola makukuha ng Royal Point. Tumatakbo na naman. Give it up to Team De Los Reyes. 42-44. He was fouled. Hugged behind by number 15. Mallorca. 4 na yon. 4 na si Mallorca. Pero wala pa sila sa penalty. Sa panahon na yan, Team De Los Reyes will take out the basketball. tries to give it to Elcid Pascual. Elcid, the focal point para sa Royal Point. Got his screen. Elcid, sumagitsit, find his rhythm for two. Elcid Pascual, Mr. Clutch. Give Royal Point a 4-point lead. Mallorca gives it up to Elijah. Calara with the ball. Elijah pa rin may tangan. Guillermo meron yan. Wala. Rebound kanila pa rin. Puts back. Wala pa rin. Team De Los Reyes with the board. Team handling the letter. Binigay na kay Mark Papa. 46 seconds. Clock is in the side. Uy! Nagmadali naman doon. Sayang yung possession na yon. But good intentions, but bad account. Timeout! Puso Pinoy. We'll back in a bit.
The Hoop Store would like to thank Zamek Events, Basketball Gears, 361 Degrees, Rigor, JMS Tailoring, Boss J, Flashback Clothing, King Eagles Tourism, Big Boss Garage, Wetski Accessories, Soul Savvy, House of Iritea V, SMK, and the Hoop Store.
Okay, back to the whole game. 42 seconds.
The Hoop Store would like to thank Zamek Events.
Let's get back to the ball game. Bola tayo ng Puso Pinoy. 42-46.
14 seconds.
Ano kayang naidisenyo na play ni Coach Jeric Cerdenia para sa kanyang mga bata dito sa ating fourth quarter? Very important possession for the Puso Pinoy. And this will dictate the outcome ng game na ito. Mallorca will try to inbound the letter. What's their play? Ito na. Pop out na. Dulas lang ng bahagya. Kuha ni Guillermo. Guillermo, ganda ng pasa. Binigay. Elijah for three. Free shot. Ganda naman sana. No, pero may put back tayo from number 13. Guillermo. 2-point lead. 37 seconds. No need to foul now. Ganda ng depensa. Ito na ang hinahanap nating aksyon. Iver Arcolas na steal yan. Elijah Calara versus Elcid. Man versus man. But he was fouled. Offensive foul ang naitawag ni Rep. Merong kasing konting push sa pagkakataon na yon. Timeout by Royal Point. We will back in a bit. Stay tuned, guys.
The Hoop Store would like to thank Zamek Events, Basketball Gears, 361 Degrees, Rigor, JMS Tailoring, Boss J, Flashback Clothing, King Eagles Tourism, Big Boss Garage, Wetski Accessories, Soul Savvy, House of Iritea V, SMK, and the Hoop Store.
All right, let's get back to the ball game.
25 seconds. 24 seconds. Shot clock.
25 seconds. Iver Alcaraz, and he was fouled behind.
Foul number 69. First personal foul, fourth team foul. Seconds.
16 seconds, 15 seconds. Ito na naman. 10 seconds to shoot, Elcid. Hindi po foul dito. He forces one up. Bola pupunta, but there's a foul.
Foul number 2, penalty.
Pasa mo, Posh.
Okay, we're back live. Medyo nagkaroon lang ng commotion sa ating internet. And we're glad that you're staying with us. Shout out to all 63 viewers. Shout out kay Carl Kevin Tamayo, kay Ken Yabut, kay Bino Bisnor, kay Boss Jeremy, and kay Eric Bingayan. 2 free throws will be given para sa Puso Pinoy to tie up the game with 6 seconds remaining. This will be big. First free throw, malayo! They had a chance. Pero hindi pa tapos. Hindi pa tapos ang game na ito.
6 seconds.
Second free throw, wala pa rin. Rebound kanino? Nakawa nila, naitira, wala pa rin. Rebound kanino mapupunta? 2 seconds, Mallorca! And that's the end of the game. Royal Point survived the tide. And Royal Point will have a chance to play again on the next round. And will take home the first win of this game. Stay tuned in, guys. Next game, we have one trading laban sa 30 generation. Siyempre, again, Abu Dhabi versus Dubai. And Ilonggo, siyempre. Kasama rin yan sa mga Ilonggo team natin dito sa Dubai. And one trading, pinamumunuan niya ni Coach Jello Termines. Makikita natin ang quality ng coaching ng isang Jello Termines dito sa game na ito. And the final score, 44-46. Puso Pinoy. Royal Point.
So these brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ I, now I gotta roll with ice. No rush, go on you dumb, pushing, so on you dumb. Peace and love turn to peace and gloves, now you gotta do a run up. Generations caught up, look how things will switch. People there quick, now they wanna move at the bits. Boy wanna throw to them bitch, nah, unless you heard it from me.
Opuin mo si Eric. Basta okay kami sa'yo.
Saan yung one trading?
Are you him? The one who lives in the gym and puts in the work when no one's watching. Quietly locked in, focused. The one who thrives under pressure. Relentless. Prepared for the moment. Are you him?
So, who are you?
Or ano mo, hihingayin mo to. Para ano?
Top store.
So these brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ I, now I gotta roll with ice. No rush, go on you dumb, pushing, so on you dumb. Peace and love turn to peace and gloves, now you gotta do a run up. Generations caught up. Look how things will switch. People they're quick. Now they wanna move out the bits. Boy wanna drill to bitch. Nah, unless you heard it from me.
And we are with the best player of the game. Grabe to, nakahaba ng hinabon nyo. Ano ba nangyari to sa dugout? By the way, he is Jurimar Loredo from the Royal Point. Ano nangyari to sa dugout?
Hindi, unang-una nagpapasalamat kami sa liga. Sana maging successful ang liga na to. One day league, sana supportahan nila. So anyway, nakikita naman natin halos lahat late. So magiging hard, tawag dito, magiging slow start talaga para natin pag mga ganyang sitwasyon. Siguro, medyo nag-ano lang kami, medyo sinwerte lang, naka-recover. Halos lahat papasok-pasok, ilan lang kami ng umpisa na 5. So siguro naging credit lang din, hindi lang kami nagpabaya or hindi lang kami bumitaw, walang nag-give up sa team. So anyway, nagpapasalamat kami sa magandang laban din sa Abu Dhabi, pumunta pa para dumayo dito. Salamat sa magandang paliga ngayon.
Parang nahirapan lang mag-adjust nung una. Pero nakahabol. Ganda kasi nung end ng second quarter. Anong sabi ni Coach Hansel doon sa huddle na yon? Basta kung ma-end nyo. Kasi from 13, nakuha niya ng 8. Tapos doon, yung start ng until 3rd and 4th. Ano yung nangyari doon sa...
Sabi kasi sa huddle, sabi namin, hindi natin pwedeng madali
Puts in the
lahat.
work
So,
when
ang
no one's
iba,
watching.
hindi pa nakapick up ng sitwasyon ng rhythm, wala pa. So,
Focus.
ang gagawin na lang
The
namin
one
is,
who thrives
at
under
least na magawa
pressure.
namin is mag-stay on
Relentless.
focus sa defense. So, kung anong mangyari sa
Prepared for the
offense namin, papasok man yan, hindi.
Are you?
Mamalas man kami o swerte sa offense, mananatili si defense na walang
who are
malas
you?
doon. So, ibig sabihin, pag hindi ka trumabaho, doon lang magiging malas si defense. Si defense lang talaga nag-udyok sa, siguro nag-mark kami sa defense, kaya nakarun din kami. Kung siguro, sinerte lang din, medyo mahaba pa yung liga, mahaba pa yung marami din nangyayari. Pero, masaya kami sinala.
Never go wrong with ice.
That's it.
What's wrong with them? What's wrong with them?
Thank you. Mamaya, sana, good everything. Thank you. Parang dati, thank you.
Unless you heard it from me.
Congratulations, Team Royal Point. From down 13, climbed up the ladder sa second quarter, and now they took the first W of the game. Sa pamumuno ni Coach Hansel, Coach Georgie, and Coach Junjun. Alam niyo naman, the trifecta sa pagdating na coaching dito sa Dubai. So we expect you, each and every one of you, to stay with us for the rest of the day para sa ating Umsor 120 man, gitnang singangan. Who will rise? Who will dominate? Siyempre, like and follow us nyo kami sa Flashback Loading. And we're gonna take a small break. And we're gonna come back.